What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is a busy one. On the agenda today is go to the unit, go to Best Ways, go to Hancock's, go to my location in the city centre, go to the bank, go and pay my supplier for a card reader, go to I nearly said the name. Go to another location, and then go to my last location, and then I'm gonna come back home, and then I'm gonna edit some videos. So I need to get started because I think it's like 10 o'clock and I don't ever start that late. I just got to the unit. I'm gonna be absolutely swift as fuck in here because it's 10:15 and I really want to get to Best Ways by at least 11:15. So yeah, I'll film a little bit in here. Let's go. I found my AirPods, boys. Good day for all. Okay, so last machine, first machine, second machine, third machine. Oh my god, there's a NatWest right near my location in town. I call that absolute genius move. I didn't even realise. I hate driving in town, by the way. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. But the location's worth it. So I'm in the office block. Gotta be quiet though, bye. Finished. Stop waiting for the lift for 5 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just annihilated 2 birds with 1 stone. Happy gal. Right, so been to a location that's in town. Made some customers happy, gave them some free snacks. Just needed to develop some more relationships in there, so gave them some brownies that had a short date on it, so yeah, went to the bank, which was around the corner from where I parked, which was great because I didn't have to pay for parking twice, which is always outstanding behavior. Oh, just driving past my so my location in town, I can't tell you where it is, but it's in a very high It's in like a skyscraper. It's in a very popular skyscraper in the middle of Manchester. Fuck's sake. Very popular skyscraper in the middle of Manchester. Yeah, very nice building. Very nice people in the building. So I've only just got that location, so I'm very much looking forward to seeing what that does. It's in an office. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the progression. I go there once a week so far. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to get my ass out of town and go to the suburbs. That's my favourite place to go. So yeah, that's what's happening now. I need to go and pay my supplier. Go to Hancock's first, get some coke, go and pay my supplier, and then go and do the rest of the machines. So yeah, it's 1:15, so we're on a good time. We're on a very good time. But yeah. Whoa, green light, bye! I just made it to the second location. Going down in the lift. Ooh. Okay, squadrons. I just finished up in the second location. I have a banging headache. I look bald for some reason. And oh yeah, I also went to my suppliers. I don't know if I said that already. I already went there. I stole some Doritos from the vending machine. Ooh, Inception. I got I bought a card reader from my mentor slash supplier. And don't sing. The car's gonna start singing. It's gonna start singing. There we go. No! Big or small. No! Stop! There we go. Yeah, so I bought a card reader and then he trusts me to fit it myself. Don't know where I got that idea from. Nah, I'll be fine. I think I fitted one. I fit one no, that's correct grammar. I fit one myself before. But it was on a different sort of machine. This one's going to be on a can machine, so it should be interesting. I don't think I'm going to fit it today. It's 2:30. Maybe I might have time. I don't think I've got any screwdrivers. To be fair though, the place where I'm going is a car dealership, so they should have screwdrivers. That would probably make sense if they did have screwdrivers. So I could technically ask, I could rock up and be like, do you have screwdrivers? And if they said no, then I'd be like, well, why not? You're a car dealership, you should have screwdrivers. Anyway, chatting shit. So I'm heading to the next location. Yeah, I want to eat some Doritos because I'm hungry. And then I might go to the car dealership and put a card reader on. Light green. Green light. Light green. Anyway. Right, I'm just pulling up to the dealership where I'm putting the card reader on. I phoned them and I was like, hi, do you have screwdrivers? Because I forgot them. And they said yes. So I'm gonna have to borrow the screwdrivers. But I'm probably not gonna film in there because it is their break room and there's always people in there, and there's not really anywhere I'm gonna be able to put you in the vending machine whilst I fit it. So I'll take some pictures and I'll insert them, and I'll get back to you when I finish in there. So yes. Nobody in here, so quick little filming session. Right, they got the car machine on. I'm just getting the bolts off. I had to borrow this from the car guys in the shop, but yeah. Here's the card reader set up all by myself. Oh my god, I am a fucking technical wizard. Yeah, boy. Yeah, fucking boy. Test it. Get my card.
Please select a product.
I'm gonna go for a Red Bull, I think.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing. Thank you.
Fuck yes. Right, I am out of Kia. Oh my god, that was horrible. I was in there for about an hour. Majority of it was just me trying to get freaking bolts off the vending machine. One of the guys that worked there just kind of went to me, is there any jobs going at your place? I'm like, no. No, I work for myself and I only work for me. But yeah, apparently he doesn't like his job. Like, can I go? Can I go? Thank you, nice person, nice human being. Yeah, so, sorry. That's what we get for being nice. Right, yeah, so that's my day done. We went to the unit. We did... What else did we do? Oh, we went to Best Ways. Then we went to the location in Manchester. And then we went to... What did we do after that? Then we went to the bank. And then we went to Hancock's. And then we went to pay my supplier and pick up a card reader. And then we went to another location in an office. No, we didn't. We went to a care home location. And then we went to another office. And then we just went to Kia to put a card reader on. So, yeah, it's been pretty freaking productive if you ask me. I am going to watch football tonight, which is going to be fun with Meg. So, yeah. There's another car dealership next door and I don't want to go in and ask them if they want a vending machine. Anyway, right. I'm going to end this video here. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. Follow my Instagram here. Follow my TikTok because I'm back on TikTok. I am doing a giveaway soon because I just hit 500 subscribers, so make sure you are active on my YouTube. Yeah. And make sure you subscribe and you screenshot that you subscribed and DM it to me on some platform. Yeah. But have a great day. I'm gonna be doing consultation calls soon on Instagram, so keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions or anything and you want to book in a consultation call, you can do. But apart from that, cue the outro. Peace.